Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. This is a very famous questions in YouTube. n power n minus n power m equal to 17. And m and n are positive integers. Find m and n. In this video, we will share the math logic to find the value. Welcome to keep watching the video to know the result. The questions m power n minus n power m equal to 17. m and n are positive integers. At first, analyze the items. 17 is an odd number. To get this result, there are two conditions. m power n is an odd number minus m power m is an even number, or m power n is an even number, then m power m is an odd number. It is that m not equal to n. Next, to verify larger value of m and n. We know while increase the power of indices numbers, the value will become very large. So let's check if m and n both of them larger or equal to 5. What is the value? While m equal to 6, then n equal to 5. Then m power of n minus m power m equal to 6 power 5 minus 5 power 6 equal to 7776 minus 15625. The value is big. If m equal to 5, n equal to 6, then the value 5 power 6 minus 6 power 5 means 15625 minus 7776. The value is larger too. We assume that m and n, both of them, cannot be larger than 5. We narrow down the value range of m and n. Next, to compare the detail. While m less than n, then m power of n minus m power m less than m power of n minus m power m. m power of n minus m power m isolates the factor m power m equal to m power m time bracket m power of n minus m minus 1 bracket. And m power of m minus 1 larger than 0, then we compare m power m and 17. Get 17 less than m power m. Next, to check if m less or equal to 5. While m equal to 1, m power of m equal to 1 power of 1 equal to 1, not meet 17 less than m power of m. While m equal to 2, m power m equal to 2 squared equal to 4, not meet 17 less than m power m. While m equal to 3, m power m equal to 3 cubed equal to 27, it meets 17 less than m power m. Then we get, while m less than n, m should larger or equal to 3. Find the value of m. While m equal to 3 and n equal to 4, m power of n minus m power m equal to 3 power 4 minus 4 cubed equal to 81 minus 64 equal to 17. It is one of the solutions. While m equal to 4 and n equal to 5, m power of n minus m power m equal to 4 power 5 minus 5 power 4 equal to 1024 minus 625. That's the answers. Okay, then check if m larger than n. While n equal to 1, then get n power 1 minus 1 power m equal to 17. Easy to get m equal to 18. This is another solution. While n equal to 2 and m equal to 3, get 3 squared minus 2 cubed equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1, not equal to 17. While n equal to 2 and m equal to 5, get 5 squared minus 2 power 5 equal to 25 minus 32 equal to minus 7, not the solutions. While n equal to 3 and m equal to 4, then get 4 cubed minus 3 power 4 equal to 64 minus 81. It is a negative value, not the solution true. While n equal to 4, m equal to 5, get 5 power 4 minus 4 power 5 equal to 625 minus 1024. It is not equal to 17. So there is no more value for m and n. Then we got 2 solutions to fulfill our questions. Do you find that? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.